All right, what's going on, guys? It's Austin here. Today, I'm gonna be working on the Corolla. We got a couple things to do. I'm gonna do the brake fluid. I'm gonna flush the coolant. I'm gonna do the oil change, and yeah, I'm just gonna give her the good old fluid treatment. I just took her to New Jersey, so yeah, we're gonna take care of that. I gotta go to Walmart and grab the fluid and the coolant, and I'm gonna grab Walmart fluid and coolant or brake fluid and coolant because I'm cheap and it's the same stuff. So we'll hop in the Beamer and we're gonna head to Walmart, grab the stuff, and get working on that thing. All right, so we're here. I'm gonna grab the stuff. I don't think it's too busy. I hope not. At least it is 8:30. I'm early bird, but yeah, we'll see. I'm not gonna spend too much time here. Grab the shit and go. Look at that. There's a white 3 Series. Yeah, I'm not gonna spend too much time here. I don't want to spend too much time here. I don't like doing that. So we're gonna grab the stuff and go. Dot 3 and the coolant. Don't clown on me. Yeah, Walmart brand. It's just the Corolla. Just in case. They also got frames up here. I know, and right down here actually. So hang on now. Maybe we get a frame filter. Maybe not actually. All right. Anyways, we got the stuff. Let's go. Okay. So I got everything at Walmart. I'm gonna do the oil change first. Now I'm gonna lift the car up, I guess, and we're gonna get going. Oh yeah, bro. All right.
Yeah.
All right. So I got this bad boy cracked off. Now, my main objective right now is going to be to try and keep the oil in the pan. I may have placed the jack stands in a bad area, but my pinch welds are going. So that's for a different time, though. We'll worry about that. Anyways, we're gonna hopefully get this bad boy off. Probably take it off with my hand now. And I'm gonna try and catch all this oil. Perfect. Perfect. And just prop it up like that.
You want me to push this to you?
Yep, push that.
Okay.
Oh, shit. No. So, we'll check the oil after, see how it is. I poured some out, so there's going to be a little bit less than normal. Right now I gotta crack that oil filter open. I wasn't even thinking about that for some reason. Alright, so 30 bucks later, I got some new oil wrench pliers. After finding out that none of my oil wrenches fit for some reason, so this is what we're using. And on top of that, they say these are pretty dangerous. So I was just reading about them. So, alright, let's get back to it. This is the setup, obviously. That's what we're working with. Everything's all good. Oil's all drained. Probably, I just dropped that, whatever. Oil's all drained. I don't think it's even dripping anymore. That is very, very minor, like a minor amount. But all right, let me take this off, take care of it, and let's see what I can do. Okay. It's like 7:30, dude. Maybe told me that the Corolla was grinding. Also, I fucked up the coolant flush. Now my immobilizer, or whatever, my locks don't work. Neither does my dome light tint. It's gonna get fixed. She said something weird's going on. Oh man, I don't know what. She said grinding noise on startup.
Waiting for parents.
Well, it was pretty normal to me.
Video mode. Recording started. Wi-Fi is on.
Feels normal. A little squeak, but I don't notice anything wrong with it. Yes, I have my moccasins on, but I mean, it sounds... Come on. Just took a shower. You're gonna make me get all dirty? Can't even find my latch. Here we go. I don't know. Nothing's wrong with it. So, I mean, at least she said something to me, but I don't notice anything. No, it starts up fine.
Waiting for parents.
Although that didn't want to. Yeah, it's fine. So, she bamboozled me. Alright, we're good. Scared me for a minute. So, unfortunately, I caught a lot of this off camera. Let me put these down. But, oh wait, I need those actually. But, so, I just said my locks don't work. And I did have a bit of a moment with the coolant and it exploded everywhere and blah, blah, blah. One of my fuses blew. And I found out it was my dome fuse. But we're all good in the hood now. We're all good, baby. So that's good. This thing. Okay, so I was just tossing that. I had to go grab Maylee's phone because my phone ran out of storage. I'm telling you guys, I delete so much shit on my phone. Still ran out of storage. So yeah, look at this big gaping hole through that. So that's a no bueno, and you know, obviously there's that kind of sheared off too with the road. So yeah, new fender liner from China. I was trying to get Rust-Oleum to spray on the inside of here, but it's no big deal. I will when I move. And I'm gonna pour so much money into this car, it's not even funny. I'm going to save this thing, or at least I want to. So yeah, I mean, come on, man, this thing ain't going anywhere. Bad boy. So I shouldn't have done that, but yeah, I'm gonna fix you up, baby. So, and Maylee tinted the windows. She re-tinted the windows. Peeling a little bit again, but she's learning. She's getting the hang of it. I'm getting new weather stripping here too. These look a lot better peeling up there, but again, nice. She's a little nervous to do the back here, but it's no big deal. It's bird shit. It's gross. Corner window, kind of shitty, but, and then this one's really good. This one, another one, really, really good. So, of course, the passenger side's really good. Anyways, she's learning the tinting thing. I think she's gonna do good. And then she wants to try and wrap, and this will be the car we probably both learn on like a lot of stuff. I guess the next thing after this for the Corolla. Other than the tint, I might get new tires. Yeah, new tires and new bumpers. I'm gonna make it look good cosmetically, and then piece by piece I'm gonna probably take care of the frame. I'm gonna get new fenders because I don't see a reason to bring these back to life. I should just get new ones, because that's just bad, right? So I'm just gonna get new ones. They're cheap and I won't even paint them, right? There's no reason to. And then the door here, you kind of see little rusty, but that I might preserve the door, and obviously this I'm gonna have to preserve. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. I say that, but it's rust, so time is against me. So, but we're gonna bring this bad boy back to life. It's a Corolla, man. It's super reliable. So, and then of course the Beamer, and 2015, November 2015 is when it came off the line. So that one has all the upgrading components, so we're good there. Timing chain, obviously is up in there. So, but we'll get it fixed. So yeah, but that is that. I meant to do the brake flush, but I will do that. I'll do that at some later date. Took as much care while that just went by is cruising. I'm taking as much care as I can of this thing. She deserves it, that's for sure. Plus, I was just telling Maylee, this, yeah, it's a Corolla, but you don't see too many with black rims, black paint, and then it's an S, so it's a little nicer. And then the tint makes it look like, it just makes it look murdered out. She said, oh, get the taillights tinted. No, I don't believe in that. I don't believe in tinting these. Same thing with the headlights, though, now that I mention it. This one is a different headlight. This car was an accident at some point in its life. This one's a different headlight. This is off a LE or XLE. This is an XRS. So I'm just gonna get 2 new headlights at some point. I think both of them are $50 off carparts.com. Use them a lot. Really cheap. I actually use them for the oil filter for this thing. That Denso. Super cheap. Super good price. So, and it's a name brand filter, so you can't go wrong with that. But anyways, appreciate it, guys, for watching. And we're gonna take care of this bad boy.